Hello kids, today our story is The Foolish Monkey. Once upon a time, there was a foolish monkey in the forest. There is a small house near the forest. One day, he became very hungry. He couldn't find anything to eat. He came to that house thinking that he might get something to eat. He entered the house. Nobody was there. He saw a box with a small hole in it. He put his hand into it. He found some grains inside it. He became very happy. He seized a handful of grain. He tried to take out his hand but could not. He pulled but could not get success. He said, "I will not drop one of grain of this handful of corn." While he was saying that, the house owner came. He saw the monkey inside his house. He became angry. He took a stick in his hand and beat severely. Moral of the story is, don't be foolish and greedy. Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe.